Welcome to the Performance Auditor Rewind feature demo. This is a new feature to help troubleshoot historical performance issues, and we'll walk through the user interface. So you can see now we've added a Live and History tab. This now lets you switch from live real-time performance to historical, and the controls at the top of the Rewind feature are pretty straightforward. It's kind of like watching a Netflix movie. So let's take a look at what we can do here. The first thing you'll notice is there's a date and time. That's what you're going to be using to understand what data you're looking at. And all of the displays for nodes and users and files and subnets and applications is all specific to the date and time. You can pause and rewind, and you can skip and fast forward. So if you want to pause, take a look at the data, scroll through all the interfaces and see what was happening. You can see we just hit the play button. So now we're playing back in real time something that occurred in the past. And then you could pause, and you might need to skip forward and backwards to see something just before, just after some reported performance issue. Now, if you've used the pinning feature at any point and pinned a node or some user or file or application, that information's historically recorded as well. And so you can go back in time and look in the user interface and see pinned information will also be displayed alongside of the regular top consumers that were detected at the time it was recorded. So you can scroll through all the different user interfaces and you can see historical information. And you can always toggle from history back into live mode at any time, and it'll switch back into live mode. So this is going to let you troubleshoot issues easily. Now there's a new feature as well where if multiple administrators at different locations are all logged into the user interface, then you can all see the same information together at the same time. So if someone's skipping forward and backward through the historical data, that display will be shown to everyone that's logged into the administrative console. And now you can do group debugging efforts where multiple people are looking at the same information while one person's sort of fast forwarding and rewinding. You can also pick a date and a time as well, just to make this a quicker experience to view the data that you need to look at. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of what you can do with the new Rewind feature in Performance Auditor. Thanks.